Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 31st. Edison's first public electric light demonstration, 1879. On December 31st, 1879, Thomas Edison showed his electric light bulbs to the public at Menlo Park, New Jersey. About 100 bulbs were lit, showing how electricity could replace candles and gas lamps. The demonstration was a success and changed how people lived after dark. Edison's invention became a key part of modern electricity and a milestone in technology history. First New Year's Eve celebration at Times Square, 1904. On December 31st, 1904, New York City celebrated the first large New Year's Eve event in Times Square. The celebration marked the opening of the new headquarters of the New York Times newspaper. Crowds filled the streets, enjoying fireworks, music, and excitement as the year ended. This event became the starting point for the famous Times Square New Year's Eve tradition. Millions now watch the lights, music, and the iconic ball drop, which symbolizes joy and welcoming the new year. First Times Square ball drop, 1907. On December 31st, 1907, Times Square in New York City saw its first ever ball drop. A large, illuminated ball was lowered from a flagpole atop the Times Tower to mark the exact moment the old year ended and the new one began. The ball was made from iron, wood, and lights, attracting public attention. This event quickly became a popular annual tradition. Today, the ball drop continues every year using advanced lighting, celebrating the arrival of a new year with excitement. Panama Canal handed over to Panama, 1999. On December 31st, 1999, the United States officially handed control of the Panama Canal to Panama. The canal had been managed by the US since its construction in the early 1900s and is one of the world's most important shipping routes. The transfer was part of treaties agreed upon in the 1970s. This event marked a proud moment for Panama, which became responsible for managing the canal. It remains a key part of international trade and national identity. Czechoslovakia peacefully splits, 1992. On December 31st, 1992, Czechoslovakia officially split into two countries, the Czech Republic and Slovakia. The peaceful separation, known as the Velvet Divorce, happened without war or conflict. Leaders agreed both nations would be better managed independently, and citizens focused on creating new governments. The split became a rare example of a calm and orderly national separation. Since then, both countries have developed their own identities, cultures, and institutions. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.